Hey, today we have a nice update and it's a new feature that we call it chat forms, and we think it's a nice add-on to what we have and what we do, and it's a way to chat with your users before jumping to WhatsApp. The idea is you can type here some questions and answers, and then you send everything to the agent in WhatsApp. So, for example, in this case, we have the widget. The widget is going to say something like, "Welcome. How can I help you?" I can say something like some ideas for my trip, and the agent is going to reply, "Can you send us your email?" Yes, info@chatwith.io. And just before starting the WhatsApp, add your phone number, please. Okay, I put it here. And all this, when I send it, all that goes to WhatsApp. No, we start the conversation with the agent in WhatsApp with that information beforehand. So we have this information from the client and we can start the conversation. Of course, all this data goes into your CRM, goes into your control panel, goes into your account, so you can keep track of the the information you receive from the users. And we think it's very cool to have this kind of interaction with the user in a more conversational way. How you do it? How you set up this kind of interaction? You go to chat forms. This is the tab we have here, and you can assign to an agent the dialogue, no, the forms. The idea is you go to the forms builder and you just define questions and answers. That's it. Super easy to set up, super easy to do. You don't need to go crazy with chatbots, flows, all that. Is just, you can type 3, 4 questions. The way you create the question, you need to think about more a conversation. So should not be email, should be something like, "Can you send us your email?" Needs to feel like a conversation, needs to feel like you are chatting with the agent. And just before starting the WhatsApp, add your phone number, please. Something that feels human, something that feels like you are chatting with the agent. And that's it. That's the way to do it. From there, your agent is going to have the chat form assigned, and your widget is going to look like this one. The widget is going to look like, is someone online, is someone willing to talk with you, someone willing to start a conversation. So we think it's something you may like. We think it's something that will help a lot with conversions, because you are going to capture better information from the user, better information from the customer. So we think this is a really cool way to present the widget to the customer in your website or in your cell phone. So it's here, chat forms. Take a look and give us your feedback. We will be happy to keep improving what we are doing, and hope you think this is a nice add-on. Uh, Previous forms and everything we have before is here. You have the timetable, forms, FAQs, so everything is here as usual. If you go now, what we have done in terms of interface is, when you go to the agent, you have here the forms and the FAQs, just to make things easier to browse and navigate. Okay, so take a look, give us your feedback. We will be happy to keep improving and keep creating a better solution for your landing page, campaigns, agents, you name it. All right. Thank you. Bye.